Okay, so I will be adding the link where you can go and just learn more about the organization or make a donation or just quench your curiosity. I will be adding the link in the video description. It's just a chance, if nothing else, to learn a little bit more about what is happening in the world. And then I wanted to show you very quickly certain things that I'm really impressed by. So they have created toilets, as you can see, because there are no hygienic toilets in the daras, which is why a lot of children come here. And then behind me, there, you see what you see. This is a boarding school kind of situation. So they have basically given boarding to 9 or 10 boys. Some of them are talibs and some of them are just boys from really poor families who were going to become talibs. But this is like an experiment that they have done with willing parents to show the parents that their children can really live in a good way if they leave their children with them versus leaving the children in the daras. Now, what you see behind me, this is where I take my class. This is where children come to learn English and French. Another classroom behind me, this is a different classroom. I have been told that children also learn karate here and perhaps also math. And now I am, okay, what you see behind me now here, this is the library. And also because there is no place to sleep in this weather in the daras, they have created a room in the library where children can also sleep in the afternoon. Let me just check if someone's there. Oh, okay. So place to sleep and then a movie and a library. So they have created this so that the children can come and they can get a little bit of a rest, they can explore books, they can explore literature. And then behind me is where they go to eat. So talibs are given lunch and dinner and breakfast free of cost here. So as a talib, if you're a child, you can just come over here at the designated times and you will be given food, you will have access to the toilets, and there is an infirmary which is where I was at right now, and this is where you come if you're sick, and then these are the classrooms. So even if you don't want to attend the class, you can always go to the restroom or the library to just chill. So it's a pretty fun place, and they told me they started with one room and this is what they have built. It's actually pretty nice.